your eye on West Texas.
We begin all new tonight at 10 o'clock. A new program could offer hope for young immigrants who are working in the U.S. but do not have citizenship.
Tonight, dozens of West Texans gathered at a community forum to learn about a controversial program called Deferred Action. CBS 7's Felicia Bolton spoke with those affected by the program and has the details on how those eligible can apply. Felicia?
The new Deferred program is a gateway for thousands of immigrants seeking to stay in the country for the next 2 years.
West Texans listened closely to learn of the Deferred Action program signed into legislation by President Barack Obama back in June. Each one of them has one thing in common. They are or know someone who is an illegal immigrant. She says, I feel bad because I fear being on the streets, that police will stop me and they ask me for my papers. I feel fear for my children if they will stay here and I will be deported. Officials at the community forum broke down the myths tied to deferred action.
Yes, it's a big misconception that this is some sort of amnesty or some sort of a path to citizenship, because it's not. It's a 2-year renewable work permit, which allows them to come out of the shadows so they can get jobs.
Attorney Daniel Caudillo explains this program has strict restrictions and is limited to a certain group of illegal immigrants.
Well, to qualify under this policy, you need to have entered the country before the age of 16, so 15 or under. And you need to be 30 years old or under as of June 15th of this year. You also cannot have any serious misdemeanors or felonies on your record. And you must have graduated high school, obtained your GED, or been honorably discharged from one of the military branches.
The attorney says applicants should be aware of fraud and only apply through a lawyer. And for many U.S. citizen hopefuls, they see this program as a new future for themselves and their children. She says, I think that it's really a good decision made for the youth, for our children, for everyone.
Immigrants will be eligible to apply for the program on August 15th. For more information on the program, go to our website at CBS7.com. Reporting in the newsroom, Felicia Bolton, CBS 7 News.
Here's a look at the qualifications for the program. It will affect people who entered the country before the age of 16 and are now younger than 30. They must have continuously lived in the U.S. for 5 years. The person must have never been convicted of a felony or pose a threat to national security. The offices of the U.S. Citizens and Immigration Services will begin receiving applications beginning this Wednesday.
Another top story.